Updated office space? Yes, we helped a client update their office space. Here was the check-in and welcome areas. They wanted to know how they could make it more updated, modern, and better organized. They wanted a light and brighter space to work in. We began with plans, renderings, and helping them with design choices. It's always great to be able to see what your space is going to look like. Here the crew has arrived, ready to get started. Demo time, one of our favorite times. Plastic walls been erected to protect the spaces where they're not working. And they've begun tearing up flooring, countertops, and cabinets. You can see they're taking up flooring and finding flooring underneath it. More demo. It's always a mess before it gets better. Unfortunately, some unexpected surprises popped up. Here, in an older building, you never know what you're going to find. Oops, looks like there's going to be some treatment of the building happening, as well as replacement of sheetrock and other items. The affected sheetrock had to be removed. Here we can see it's all been removed there. And we're ready to begin the process of moving forward and getting things back the way they need to be. Here we've got someone working on the ceiling. Now the space is cleaned out, ready to begin putting it back together. A pony wall was framed up in the office area. What's next? Well, let's begin replacing sheetrock. Here a doorway is being covered. Will not be a doorway any longer. The team is working on finishing the ceiling and the sheetrock. Steel supports, these metal black brackets are steel supports that are being added for the granite countertop that's going to be running from a cabinet across the wall to another cabinet. Here the cabinets are actually being installed and you can see the supports. Finished? Oh yes. Here's the check-in area with a new countertop, new granite countertop. And when you actually look into the space, you can see that it is brighter and looks so different. The staff work area is bright and light. They used a TrueCore Pietra gray floating vinyl flooring, which looks great with the countertop and cabinets. Really complements one another. Storage and sink area has a beautiful backsplash. It's a glass tile that complements the Grand Perla granite countertops and the white shaker cabinets. Here's another little storage cabinet the staff will be able to utilize. Wow, such a different looking space. See into another area where we've redone the walls and the flooring. You can really see the flooring here and see it's gray with this little white veining going through. It's really a beautiful floor. Before and afters, bye-bye blue and welcome to a more modern and bright space. A brighter, updated space, better organized, was a great project.